Hi guys, Stan Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a really exciting unboxing, and as you know, I participated. You may not know, but I participated in a love note swap hosted by Rhoda, and I'm so excited to open this, you guys. You know, it's like the best day when you get happy mail. So I read your note, Ro, and you know how I feel about you. I am so honored that I get to participate in such a lovely chill swap with such talented ladies as her. A little gifty. Ooh, and I got Michelle. Four Eyes Craft. I think I've gotten her before, so I'm so excited that I get to have another piece of Michelle's work. And then, oh my god, Rhoda. Oh my god. I just saw the video for this. This is crazy. A woman. I sent you something so tiny compared to this. Okay. So, I'm just gonna put this box to the side because I'm going to tell you a small story time. So, Ro and I bonded over the years to the love of BTS. I'm a huge BTS army, and so is she, and we have tried. But if you've ever been to a BTS concert, it's chaos. But I'm totally going to try to meet up with her this year. She and I were talking about prezzies for army, and she was so generous enough to send me purple letters. I didn't even know that you can buy these. So thank you so much for this, and I can't wait to open this. I'm going to open this after the swap because this is what we're here for. I'm going to open up Rhoda's little gifty. She's so generous. Honestly, she gives every one of the participants a little handmade gift. And you guys, this is so cute. Like the little bundle itself. I'm just going to try to scooch this over. Oh, is this your paper clip? I have to pull this out. Look how cute that is. I wish we're still in Valentine's Day, but, you know, time flies. And this is so darling. And I'm just going to pull this off. Oh, and she has this little bundle of bits and bobs. I got a little too into unboxing this. And, oh, that is so cute. Little bookmark. I'm going to use that in my journal. I'm a journal girl, guys. A little sequence with the wire wraps. Like, I love your wire wrapping. It is so, like, next level. And then, and here's just a Memdex. Yes! Adorable little Memdex. So cute. I think this is Scrap Diva die. I love it. You're so talented. Thank you, Ro. I love all my goodies. We're about to get into it with our talented Michelle. So she created this bundle. So cute. Handmade with love. It's so funny. I just used the same. Oh, I love that little template. And this is her little packaging. I'm just going to slip this little ribbon. Wow, she double bagged it. Just ribbon and then another ribbon. Because I get it. Things slip around. Little Hardy ran away. But look how cute this is. You know what, you guys? I totally blanked on the multiple ribbons. And girl was generous. Michelle, you were generous with your ribbons. Yes, I love it. Can I just slip this off? Because I want to keep it intact. Probably not because that's wishful thinking. It is tied tight. All right, let me see if I can maneuver this. Pardon me. Oh, I see. There's this little gold one that's like really tight. If I can scooch this one off. Oh, yes. Okay. All right. I think, no. Can I squeeze this out? All right. Yes. All right, you guys. Sorry. Little technical difficulties. I'm not trying to figure out how to do this pretty. I don't even know how Ro did it because, to be honest, I would get frustrated and just go ham. Okay, got the bundle out, and she attached this adorable little sequence mix with this little dangled heart. Love that. And I love all the ribbons that you used. So cute. and Ro did an amazing job of keeping it together. I'm just going to zoom in slightly. Okay, so we got 5 envelopes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 envelopes. We're supposed to stitch. If you haven't seen my video, I'll leave it down below. But this is so cute. Little postcard. I love that little die. And in here, oh, okay, this is the Memdex. So cute. I love the little book style. Totally gonna use this. It's already done for you. I'm just gonna slip the postcard in because it's so cute. And we were supposed to all create paper clips, and I love this little bow. It's sturdy. Here's her other paper clip. And then this is the other one. She double stitched. She's fancy. She went pink and gold. I just did one basic. Oh, wow. She did 2 stitches here, too. Okay, Michelle, you fancy pants. These are all the hearts. I love this. Okay. She was generous. Love all the different hearts that you used. So great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And then let's see. Next up. Oh, I got some stickers. I love these. Thank you. And then we got this little heart clip. This velvet heart. And then let's see what's in here. Oh, these are so cute. See, you know what? I think I took the bundle a little too literally. And I think this is such a great little bundle. You don't have to follow her bundle. Man, I was struggling with those little, I create big. I'm a big crafter. So those little bundles killed me. So I love that this is like such another interpretation of Ro's bundles. So love that. Yeah. I too should have created nice and big, but it's okay. I hope whoever receives my package loves that, and love this little paper clip. Got this. I don't know which collection you use, Michelle. I've never seen this collection. Ooh, we got paper strips for days. Love this. Thank you. And she included a bonus one in the back. I love the layered acetate sheet that you put on. Packaging on point, Michelle. Love. Love, love, love. Oh, I love this die too. Oh, Echo Park love notes. She's so smart. She shared it. Thank you so much, Michelle. And we got this last one. Forgot which one is. Ooh, sentiments. Did you use a little foam or no? It feels like you have. Oh, no wonder it's so thick. Love. And that's it, you guys. That was a swap. It was very, very chill. And that's what I love about Rose Swap. It's like never stressful. Maybe to other people it might feel stressful, but for me, I feel very at ease when I create her swaps, and love this. Thank you so much, Michelle. And let's open up the journal, you guys. I know I saw the video. I watched her flip through it and all, but you know what? It feels different. It feels different when you're opening it in person. So I can't believe you gave this to me, Ro. Honestly, oh my goodness. And like, I think I've made a comment like, when I grow up, I want to be just like you, like crafting wise. Because look, first of all, I'm just going to take this paper clip off. Can we talk about the details in this? I don't think I've ever created one of these like super duper chunky, like detailed wire wrap paper clips, because who has the time for all this? Like, you are so talented. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And of course the color is purple because that is the color of BTS. So, I mean, I love the little pin that you created. Like, you spoiled me. Can we talk about this like bundle? Like, she made her own little twisty tie. Wow, that's so cool. Like, I never thought to do this. And I saw it in the video and I was like, what did she do? She just really braided it. Love this. Insane. I've never done anything like this before. Totally gonna scrap lift that. And then let's get into our handsome. Yes. Comeback season is here. Oh my goodness. I love this so, so much. The dangling cards was like, it killed me because it's like, who thinks of these ideas? Like, that is insane. Oh, I love it. Love it. And then you are my sunshine. Oh my goodness. I'm going to fill this up. I'm really going to fill this up. This is going to be my journal. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love that she made it a pocket too. I love it. Life is sweet. All the stitching details. Ro, I want to grow up to be a crafter like you. This is so insane. It's so good. And it makes me so happy. Like, this is probably the best army gift one can receive. Thank you so much. Oh my Lord. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm sorry, I'm like goo gaga over here. Over the moon. Thank you to Michelle and our wonderful host, Ro. And stay tuned. I'm going to be posting some new videos. I'm feeling very inspired. So I'll be back. Thanks for watching. Bye.